Bread gang, what's happening, baby? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you that are new, welcome to the Bread gang. Hit the subscribe button, join the biggest, the greatest, the awesomest, the whatever, just the largest group of people that have assembled to get this bread, because that's what we love to do. We love to get this bread. Whether we actually eat it or not, for those of my people that are allergic, we still get the bread and we distribute it. But just know, we get tons of bread on this channel. And that's what we're doing today. We're here to get some bread. I've got the that wide bow tie sitting over here, and we are here for one specific reason, an undisclosed location in Mexico, because even though my last video did not hit 10,000 views, I do want to celebrate the fact that I have another video that's at 18, almost 19,000, which is absolutely crazy. Thank you so much for that. That is the craziest thing in the world. We're pushing 2,400 subscribers, also completely insane. That's awesome. I'm so blessed, so grateful for that. So today, I know y'all have, we did a burnout video recently, and I just threw my dad's old stock tires on there and roasted those a little bit, nothing crazy. And I know, of course, all of y'all really wanted to see the burnout with the 375. So without further ado, y'all see the thumbnail. That's what we're doing today. We're in Mexico. Hola, ¿cómo estás? We're in Mexico today, and that's what we got going on. I'm waiting for the one special guest that I must have here today for the occasion, and as soon as he gets here, we're gonna get rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna roll the intro, and by the time the intro's done, he's gonna be here.
Let's get this bread, baby! That's what I'm talking about.
They're gonna hate me for this one. We've gotten a lot of bread today. You're about to get kicked out of Bojangles.
Bread, baby! Does it look cool?
Pulling in as we speak. Shh. Shh. We're in Mexico. There's people. Ladies and gentlemen, he was here the first time. He's got to be here the second time. The one and only Robin Hoon and the beautiful 5.0 Mustang. I had to bring him out. Maybe I'm not gonna go there. We're not burning his today. Today's about the 375s. So I was really nervous to do it the first time. It went pretty well, a little trial and error with it, but we got it done. I know y'all are really excited to see this one get done. I'm a little more nervous this time because, I mean, this is a couple $100 worth of burnout. I mean, each tire is about $600 a piece. So roasting them one time is a good 50 or 100 bucks per tire. So, I mean, I'm not gonna sit around and talk about it forever. We're just gonna, like tall guy car reviews, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So, I mean, I'm gonna build up a little emotional courage here. We're just gonna get it done. That's really how this is gonna go. It's a little more populated here in El Paso, Texas, El Paso, Mexico.
We're right on the border.
We're right on the border, right over the border, but there is a little more traffic. Border Patrol's been cruising around a little bit, so we got to make it short and sweet. But I want to send it one good time. I don't want to break it up. I just want to send it one good time, and we're gonna call it a day. So I hope y'all enjoy. I'm not gonna. We got to get in position real quick.
Okay. Yeah, you're fine. Why are you always so nervous to do burnouts?
Because it's expensive. Without further ado, here we go.
375. We're roasting the 375s, right, Alex?
Yeah, I tried to roast them the other day. I spun them a little bit, but it was wet, so I've never tried to do it. They're hot tires. It's on hot gravel. I've never tried to do it just off of that, so this is gonna be kind of interesting, but we're just gonna do it.
All right, you know what to do?
I know what to do this time.
You know what to do this time.
I know what to do this time. This time I know what to do.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
You ready? It's got too much grip.
Yeah, I know. Hold on. I might have to back up in that sand a little bit.
We should have brought some water. You got traction control off?
Oh. Wow.
Alex, you always got to remember to turn traction control off when you want to do a burnout.
Wow, that's exactly what it was. All right, you ready this time?
All right, come on, let's get it again. Come on.
Go for it this time.
There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh! Woo! There we go. These tire marks are a lot wider than the ones last time. That's all that meat. She burned good.
Oh, we're good.
She burned good, baby.
Let's get this bread.
Dude, look at the tire marks. Look at how wide they are compared
that's
to the
awesome.
last time.
I'm like shaking right now.
Man,
Holy crap.
You walked that, dude, you walked it out too.
Really?
Yeah, you walked it out. I saw you, dude. You let off the brake and it just spun and you kept going with it.
Did it look cool?
Oh, it looked great. It looked great.
You want to do one now? No, yours is too loud. No, we're going to get in trouble.
Oh, compared to last
Look at how wide these tire marks are. Have you ever seen a tire mark? One, I dug into that. Look, I dug into the road a little bit. See that?
Oh, yes, you took some of that pavement out.
I took some of the pavement up. Look how wide that is. My hand isn't even as wide as the tire mark.
Dude, right here, dude, you took out a big chunk here. This little square.
We're moving concrete. We're moving concrete.
That's
See,
some
I
big boy stuff right
walked
there.
it out a little bit. I better be careful because I'm going to want to do that more often now. And that's at least $50 worth of tire right there. Oh, man.
Now you see why I love
It was-
Burnout so much.
It was worth it, though.
Oh, yeah.
It was worth it.
Burnout, I only want to walk it all the way from there to all the way over there.
Oh, yeah, the tires are fine.
Yeah, you got so much tread here, dude. You're fine.
Tires are fine. Well, not a super long video. We just wanted to get right to it. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to follow at Robin Hoon. Man, it really smells like 375 right now. It's beautiful. I hope everybody enjoyed it. I will see y'all next time, and I hope y'all have a great day. And as always,
Let's get this bread.